How is Kenya? How have you seen Kenya? How are we?
It's been great so far. I was surprised to see rain. I wasn't expecting rain when I come out here, but I've had a very good experience.
How is our football like Kenyan and African?
Well, I've been impressed. You know, there's World Cup appearances and I haven't quite been there, but I haven't seen the locals, haven't seen the talent you've got at grassroots football. It's been, I've been quite impressed.
What have you brought to us? Like, there's so many young people who are talented in playing football, especially boys, to say. What have you brought to us?
Well, hopefully just a realism, so that these players realise that, you know, it is achievable if things work out well and they get a bit of luck and, you know, they keep working as hard as they can. You can actually make it into playing in these top leagues.
So we understand, you know, a legend, you already left your Everton team. There are, and reading on the internet, there are some of the stories we are reading. It wasn't like so okay the way you guys were together with Hibbert and the other guy, yeah. Steven. How was that?
Yeah, it was great. I came through the youth team at Everton with a lot of players. Ended up playing quite a number of games for Everton with the players that I made as friends as a kid. So, you know, that was great. It wasn't all easy. I had a couple of tough injuries to deal with in my youth. I had to fight really hard to get back playing, but you know, I was mentally strong enough to overcome them, and I ended up having a long career.
So what are you planning to do next? Coaching or?
I've started on some coaching badges. You know, if it is possible for me to coach and give back a bit of the knowledge that I've acquired over the career I've had, then that would be great. But I'm doing a bit of media work at the moment, and you know, the analysing of the game and commenting on it has been fun as well. So, you know, if I continue to do that, I'll be happy.
You'll be happy. So we are great for you having talked with Kameme TV, and we wish you all the best in your career and as you look ahead to Kenyan teams and Kenyan football growing, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Jina gani, what language have you learned in Kiswahili? What word have you learned?
Off camera?
No, just tell us. Just tell us.
Asante, karibu.
Have you taken nyama choma?
No.
You should visit us and take you out for nyama chomas.
Maybe, yeah.
Sawa, tunashukuru. We are happy.
Okay.
We are glad.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.